Many WhatsApp users care about privacy. WhatsApp now allows you to lock individual chats using your phone's fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode for extra security. When locked, the chat moves to a hidden folder and it can only be opened with the authentication method. Here's how you can lock chats on WhatsApp. So, first, you need to go ahead and open your WhatsApp application, log into your specific account, tap and hold onto the chat that you want to lock. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you'll see the option of lock chat, that is between select all and add to favorites. Now you need to go ahead and enter your secret code, or you can also use your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Go ahead and set it up, and after locking, the chat will be locked in the chats folder at the top of your chat list. Swipe down on your chat list to show the folder. You can use your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode to open it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.